Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve pet insurance with Nationwide easy tutorial step by step clearly. To improve your pet insurance with Nationwide, begin by visiting the Nationwide website. Look for the pet insurance section, usually found in the main menu. Click on it to see the various options available for pet insurance policies. Take time to read through the details of each plan. Compare the coverage types such as accident only, illness, and wellness plans. Consider your pet's specific needs and any pre-existing conditions. Gather all relevant information about your pet, including age, breed, and medical history. Once you have that information, navigate to the Get a Quote feature on the website. Input your pet's details in the online form as prompted. Review the estimated monthly premiums for the different plans. Note any deductibles, copayments, and coverage limits associated with each policy. If needed, reach out to a Nationwide representative through the live chat for any clarifications. Evaluate any additional benefits or features offered, such as preventive care coverage. After comparing, select the policy that best fits your needs. Fill out the application form with accurate information. Confirm your policy details and read the terms carefully before submission. Review your payment options and choose the one that suits you best. Once enrolled, make sure to download any related documents for your records. Consider setting up recurring payments to avoid lapses in coverage. Regularly review your policy annually to ensure it still meets your pet's needs. Keep track of any changes in your pet's health that may affect your coverage. Utilize any online resources available through Nationwide for pet health tips and claims assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.